everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we'll study the basics of class 9th geometry, lines and angles. Some basics we are going to study, and then we'll solve few questions related to them also. So lines and angles, we know what is a line. We draw this we say as this is a line. Okay, we all understand what is a line, but what do we mean when we say angle? What is a angle? So angle is when two rays originate from the same end point, then an angle is formed. Now what am I saying? I am saying, suppose this is the end point of a line and I draw suppose this line here, and this is the end point of this line. Let this line be A and this line be B. So this is the angle. This is angle AB. What is an angle? When two rays originate, two rays, this is ray B, this is ray A, and then an angle is formed. Okay, so now is it clear what is angle? So now we'll see the types of angle. We are clear with what is a angle, and now we'll see the types of angle. We'll see its types. Clear? So the angle total have types of angle 6. Right? Angle has total 6 type of angles. The very first type is acute angle. The very first type is acute angle. So, acute angle is more than 90 degree. It is more than 0 degree. My bad. Sorry. This is 0 degree. More than 0 degree acute angle. Acute angle is more than 0 degree, but it is less than 90 degree. This is the format of acute angle. Less than 0, more than 0 but less than 90. It is more than 0 but less than 90. Will you remember this? Now, sorry, my bad. Moving to the second type of angle, that is right angle. Right angle, you all must have heard. Right angle is, suppose I draw, right angle. What is a right angle? The angle whose measure is 90 degree is known as right angle. So how right angle is formed? Basically, you all have reached to class 9, so you must know how right angles. When two straight lines meet at a point, they form the right angle. Clear? Okay, now let's move to the next obtuse angle. Our third angle is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Now, do you remember what was acute? Acute was more than 90 but less than, more than 0 but less than 90. Now what is obtuse? More than 90 but less than 180. This is 90 degree. It's obtuse angle, then it is 180 degree. So what we'll write? More than 90 but less than 180. Yes, whose measure is more than 90 but less than 180. Clear? Now, coming to our fourth type of angle, which is straight angle. Straight angle is not, we can say angle, but it's just a line. The angle whose measure is actually 180 degree, it is known as straight angle. So if we take an example of clock. For example, you must be thinking why a straight line is 180 degree. So if we take an example of a clock, okay, we'll divide into types. Okay, we'll do it at the last. Then you tell me which type of angle is formed in each. Okay, for now remember that 180 degree is a straight line. 180 degree is a straight line. Our second last type. Moving to our second last type, fifth type, that is reflex angle. What is reflex angle? It is now more than 180 degree. Reflex angle more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. More than 180, less than 360 degree. Clear? Okay. Moving to our last type of angle, which is, could you guess? Yeah, that is a complete angle. Complete angle. The angle whose measure is 360 degree, it is known as complete angle, and that is known as a full circle is completed. Okay. Now as I told, I'll give you the example of the clock. Yes? Okay. So now if I draw a clock here with black, I'll draw. Oh god, circle is not good. Wait, I'll draw it with circle only so that the circle becomes good. Yeah, this circle is good. Now my pen. Yeah, I'll divide this into 4 parts. 2 more parts in each of them. Okay. Oh shit, the circle is ruined. Sorry, I'll draw it again. अच्छे से नहीं बना. Yeah, now it is okay. I'll draw a line also so that it doesn't get ruined. Maybe something इधर उधर हो गया हो. Please adjust. Okay, for understanding I'm only telling. I'll tell the acute angle. This is acute angle. This is also acute angle, acute angle. All the angles marked with red are acute angles. These are acute angles. Okay. Now the angles marked with yellow are right angles. This is a right angle. This is a right angle. this is a right angle and this is a right angle. Clear with the right angles? Okay. Okay, now I'll mark obtuse angle with green. Obtuse. Obtuse. Obtuse angle is this. This is obtuse, and from here till here it is obtuse. From here, if I count now, from here till here it is obtuse. This is obtuse. Obtuse is clear now? This actually, these all parts are less than 90. Less than 90, 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 less than 90. Okay, so this is obtuse. If now I move towards the straight angle, see this straight line, this divides a circle into two halves. If you divide 360 by 2, you will receive 180. Right? 180 is a straight line because it divides the circle into two halves. Right? 180. Moving to the reflex angle. Reflex angle is this. Okay. From here till here, this blue line across the circle is your reflex angle. This angle actually, this angle is reflex angle. Clear? Reflex angle I'll show you more clearly because the kya khichdi pak gayi. So I'll show you reflex angle more clearly. Reflex angle, see. This part, this angle is known as reflex angle. The part I colored with green, this is known as reflex angle, and this whole circle is known as 360 degree or complete angle. Okay, done with the types of angle. Okay, perfect. Yeah, okay, so oh god, this is so irritating, you know. Now, moving towards some like how to solve equation problems. Okay, I am drawing this, and this, from this only you will understand all the angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, then this and this, this. The angles colored with blue are always equal. I name them 1, 5, 7 and 3, and I name these angles as 2, 4, 6 and 8. So now I'll write angle 1 is equal to angle 3, which is equal to angle 5, which is equal to angle 7. And angle 2 is equal to angle 4 is equal to angle 6 is equal to angle 8. Why now equal? I'll tell you. See. Angle 1 is vertically opposite. Angle 1 is vertically opposite to angle 3. You can write this if you want. Okay, wait, let me make you write. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Why? Vertically opposite. Clear? It is vertically opposite. Now, why angle 3 is equal to angle 5 and how angle 1 is equal to angle 5? This question arises. Of course it arises. Sorry. Now I'll tell you why angle 3 is equal to angle 5 and angle 1 is equal to angle 5. See. First we'll see angle 1. Angle 1 is equal to angle 5 because they are corresponding angles. You have studied corresponding angles right? Corresponding angles. These are corresponding angles, and now angle 3 is equal to angle 5. It is alternate interior angles. Alternate interior means all these are alternate, this is alternate, and these are interior also, so alternate interior. Now one more question arises. How is 1, then how is 3, then how is 5 related to 7? वो भी देखते हैं. Let's see. Angle 1 is equal to angle 7. Can anyone think why angle 1 is equal to angle 7? Can anyone think of this? These are co-exterior angles. Co-exterior angles. How co-exterior? I will show you. Exterior. Outside. This is at the outside. This is at the outside. Co-exterior. Actually, it is alternate co-exterior. You can say alternate co-exterior. Right? Alternate exterior angles. Alternate exterior angles. Now, how is 3 related to 7? I told you. How is 1 related to 5? Corresponding. From that only 3 related to 7 corresponding. 5 to 7. How is 1 related to 3? Vertically opposite. 5 is also related to 7 as vertically opposite. Clear? Now comes the point of Now comes the point of 2, 4, 6 and 8. Same way they are, what do we say? Also equal. Vertically opposite, right? Vertically opposite, corresponding, alternate interior, right? Now, vertically opposite, alternate interior, what do we say? Vertically opposite. From this, alternate interior, corresponding, vertically opposite. Vertically opposite, corresponding, and alternate exterior. Clear? So this was some basics of the geometry for lines and angles. There are some theorems in this chapter which we'll study in the next video. But your next video will be for the third equation of motion. Then it will come for the what? Then it will come for the this theorems. for lines and angles. लाइन्स एंड एंगल्स की थ्योरम्स आएंगी. दिस इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन? दैट इज क्लियर. नाउ let me see if I can okay, so if I can like show you full now, full at once. Can I do that? I'm also thinking so. Oh wow, this which I also got to know right now. Okay, actually I can't do that. I'll share you this PDF. Okay, I'm not able to show you right now. I don't know why. Okay, so I want it's like to, I don't know why. Okay. Oof. Okay, so right now I'm not able to show you, but in next class if I would be able, I'll show you for sure. So thank you so much for attending today's class, and if you like the video, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.